Hey guys, Leif here from iTech. Today I'm going to show you how you can go back to the old menu on the new i series of the Konica minolta bizhubs. If you're freaking out from looking at this new menu, you can actually go back to the old style of menu. So I'm going to show you, if you come a bit closer, I'll show you what I mean. So this new menu or graphical user interface style is called the basic style, and on here there's also a button where you can toggle between the classic style and the basic style. So if I click on classic style, that's the new the old interface, and the basic style is the new one. So if I toggle on there, I'm basically toggling between the two, and I'll go back to the classic style, which is again the old style. If you really prefer to go back to the old style and use the old style as default, I'm going to show you how you can change that default setting. So we're going to go into utility, we're going to go into administrator, we're going to log in with the administrator password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 twice. It's the default admin password. We're going to go OK. And we're going to go into system settings. You could also search for this function, but I'm going to show you where it is. So under system settings, and we're going to scroll right down towards the bottom, and there is a second from the bottom there, default operation mode setting. So if I click on that, this is where you can set the default operation mode setting. It's set to basic style at the moment, which is the new interface. If I change that to classic style and I hit OK, I'm now changing that default setting. I can close out of there and go back to my home, which means you can still toggle between the two, but I'm just going to illustrate this. If I now power the machine off, just leave it off for 10 seconds, power it back on, and now the new default screen setting is the classic style, which you can see. So in this case now it goes straight into the old style copy screen. You can hit the home button there, go into the home screen, and this is your classic style user interface. So that's it.